Welcome back. Safety matters, and this week is Hurricane Preparedness Week. The initiative is led by the National Weather Service.
Researchers are predicting another active hurricane season compared to last year's historic season. Experts share the importance of having a plan in place.
So definitely your kit, should equate to the category of the storm, in my opinion. When it's storm time, it's too late to get ready during the storm. So if you stay ready, you'll always be ready.
It's important for people to review their insurance policies, make sure that they are covered for a tropical system coming through the area.
The official hurricane forecast comes out on May 24th.